the anti-procrastination tool. Use the 2-minute rule to stop procrastinating forever. Procrastinating right now? Good. This will take less than 2 minutes. There's a simple productivity rule that's helped millions stop procrastinating, and it's called the 2-minute rule. Here's how it works. If a task takes 2 minutes or less, do it immediately. No planning. No overthinking. Just do it. Why it works? Procrastination isn't about laziness. It's about resistance. Starting is the hardest part. Once you begin, momentum kicks in. Here is an example. Reply to that email. Wash 1 cup. Write 1 sentence. Most of the time, you'll keep going, even though you only promised yourself 2 minutes. Call to action. Try this today. Pick 1 tiny task. Set a 2-minute timer. And start, because action beats motivation every time. You are a star. Well done. We share these tools because our mission at CLR Foundation is to empower people to live more intentional lives. If this helped you, consider sharing it with someone who is struggling. Thank you for watching.